Amigos do Mosaico, estamos aqui com o professor Mishani, ele que lidera a divisão de pesquisa e desenvolvimento do Hospital Hadassah. A gente vai conversar sobre as atualidades do Hospital Hadassah, tecnologias, avanços. Professor, um prazer te receber.
Thank you for having me. I'm really happy to be here. I'm honored to be here.
O que é o Hadassah e o que ele representa para o sistema de saúde de Israel?
So Hadassah is treating the Jerusalem area. We are seeing like 1.5 million patients annually. There are something like 20,000 births annually, and we are the major and bigger hospital in the Jerusalem area.
Professor, como o hospital tem operado durante a guerra?
So our physicians participate also in the battle. They were drafted to the Army Reserve. We had many physicians in the Army Reserve for a long period, and they supported the soldiers in the battle in both places, in Gaza and also in the north. The second level is that we received a lot of injured soldiers that came to us to get the treatment, and we treated them for a long period of time. And the third phase is the rehabilitation. Soldiers that were hurt in the army, in the battle, after getting the treatment, they go to our rehabilitation center in order to help them to go back into life. And this is something that we did with new technology, new center, so we could support the effort of the army and other systems in Israel to bring back these soldiers back to normal life. The fact is that we thought about opening a big rehabilitation center, a hospital within one of our campuses, Mount Scopus. So we started before the war, we started the planning, we started the building, the infrastructure, but once the war started, it boosted the activity, and we finished the construction and everything very rapidly, and we moved into activities and treatment a few months after the war started.
Quais as principais inovações tecnológicas desenvolvidas pelo Hadassah?
So Hadassah, as you know, is a tertiary hospital. We are conducting a lot of research. We are publishing more than 1,000 scientific publications annually. We are getting a lot of national and international grant awards. And I think that if you look at the research in Hadassah, it's all over. But the main thing is that we are doing translational medicine research, meaning that we recognize the gap near the patient bed. We go back to the lab to develop and to come back with a solution, with a treatment, with a new treatment, and then we would like to implement it near the patient bed again. So we have several discoveries and innovation. We are working on multiple myeloma with one of our products, a CAR-T product. It's our intellectual property. We did already some clinical trials with more than 120 patients with 85% success. We are developing a small organic molecule as drug for a rare disease. We are developing a new radiopharmaceutical either for imaging and by PET scans and also for treatment. We are developing many devices. We are using embryonic stem cell and mesenchymal stem cell to treat diseases, patients with multiple sclerosis, with ALS. And one of our embryonic stem cell line was approved by the FDA, and now we are delivering it worldwide to conduct, and it's enabled the clinical trials in several diseases such as diabetes, AMD, and etc. So I would say that Hadassah is renowned for doing regenerative medicine and research in the field of regenerative medicine, developing new treatment in cancer, either hematological or solid tumors, and developing new techniques for imaging, diagnosis, etc. I would say that we are playing on the whole spectrum.
Agora, trazendo mais para o Brasil, mais para o mundo, o que o Hadassah está fazendo para compartilhar esses desenvolvimentos tecnológicos?
So we are doing it through several routes. The first one is collaboration. We are collaborating with hospitals in Europe, in the States, and other countries. And I'm sure that after my visit here in the very near future, we will start collaboration also with great hospitals here in Brazil and Sao Paulo specifically. We are publishing scientific publications, so it become a public knowledge what we are doing. We are giving lectures in international conferences, and of course through our two arms, which is Hadassah International and HWZOA, which actually own the medical organization. We are trying to create collaboration, scientific collaboration, clinical collaborations, and also some commercial collaboration. We are working a lot with the industry, with big pharma companies, conducting clinical trials in our center. So I think that we spread the knowledge and we actually manufacture the knowledge, and we also contribute to the activity of pharma companies, startup companies, and other academic institutions.
E para finalizar, eu queria que o professor contasse para a gente como foi a sua estadia no Brasil.
So I must say that I come without big expectation, but from the first day I met wonderful people, professional people, people who care about Israel, people that will do for Israel. And you know, I'm flying back with the feeling that one, we are not alone, we are not isolated. We had friends, and we have great friends here in Sao Paulo. And two, after meeting some of the representatives of the pharma company and academia, I'm sure, and also the health ministry here in Sao Paulo, I'm sure that we are going to have some collaboration, academic and industrial collaboration, and it's going to be interesting and very fun.
Professor, mais uma vez, muito obrigada por arranjar um tempinho na sua agenda muito corrida aqui no Brasil para dar uma palavrinha aqui com o pessoal do Mosaico na TV. Um prazer te receber. E a gente volta num instante.